kynhun seng bhalang nadu ka KSU HYC hito menta kasngi kilalek banya lumlang hakat len sun umrai na ka benta banya pyrshah jor halor ka jingtmu 1 poi ka kynhun Hindu ka ba pyrshah bam dok masi hapo ka jylla bat kabala thmuru ban pelong ya ka rally haka arterek risau arhaja arpsau hanong ba shillong ka kynhun kan 1 poi menta kasngi henry wat hadien baki layar up bat lumlang hakatai ka kat len sun itay ki kynhun kim 1 poi shu menta kasngi bat layo jingtem bakin 1 poi lashai kasngi hakapor shiteng sngi hakani ka jingi lumlang kitay ki seng bhalang ladon lang ru wei na unong yalam shnong katay kathan uba PB silyang bat ubadei ru general secretary ka sinjo kirang ba shnong ribhoi district ubala pyrshah halor kani ka jingtmu wan kani ka kynhun kabala banta ya ka shongsuk shongsan ki pajba hapo ka jylla habak ranch kila pathai kubor kitay kinong yalam kila kran shai ba lada ki district administration bat ka sarkar kin ailat man wan kini ki kynhun shah ka jylla kinum shim ya kanu ka jingkit khli lada ja AA ha ka jylla
Munun betrek menurut bahkan kadang way wat na ba mana kadang juga dengan ni penonton penonton itu sampai ke main ni kalau penonton restrict ya movement itu sebenarnya itu terus bawah kata ini kalau ini keduaan do tahu video yang nak ketika beriban one pada lah saya itu jaga guru sampai dengan nilawan stop jalan makan melang kita ni mana orang ni malah tangim lah pada mereka nimbat di airport convince itu begitu hal yang
very clear. This people should not leave Umrah Airport at any cost. We will, our volunteers, our members will be present here along with the people of the Khasi and Jainti Hills. We will be giving a press statement calling everyone to gather at Umrah Airport tomorrow at 12 p.m. And at the same time, we also urge the state government through the district administration, both of Ribhoi district as well as the East Khasil district. We have not seen any statement given by them whether they have given any permission or not to these people to hold that rally tomorrow. If they have not given any statement, we urge them. We demand that a statement should come forth from both the district commissioner that the rally proposed to be held by this group should be banned in Shillong city, as well as they should not be allowed to enter the local jurisdiction of Ribhoi and the East Khasil district. And we find it very funny to see that the statement of the Chief Minister yesterday or day before yesterday, where he said that the power lies with the Deputy Commissioner in order to give permission or not. We understand actually the Chief Minister is supposed to be the executive head of the state. He is supposed to look after the peace and harmony of the state, but him washing his hands off and putting the blame in the DC is something that is not acceptable. And I think he has seen various organizations has condemned his statement, but at the same time we also want to make our stand very clear that if these people are allowed to enter Shillong tomorrow, if any law and order problem arises, the responsibility will be on the district administration as well as the Chief Minister and his Council of Ministers. We will not be held responsible, and we have made a stand very clear that these people will not be allowed to enter Shillong at any cost. At any cost means at any cost. If anything happen on the way, or if anything happen on the place where they are holding a rally, the responsibility will be of the district administration and the government of Meghalaya.
Wan kawi kesur kalong ba kamdai ka ba niwan ban namta juno harai kadai hi namta jongki pajba jong kari khasibi kismuji kaba hakaba hidon kita ki bor man nabar go persang ban muslia wat habai day bat karkum im karkum bam kum di jingiru namarang ngihi nadu kemen barim musyam ladon hi kano kata ka restriction lane ka jingkhang ba ngi dei mbam yota ngi mbam yota ngi dei ban mane yota bat ngi mane ta wa hadu menta mane ru hakabadei bat ya kano kanyam hakaliang jong hari kasih jungi hi nyai lai lut bat ngim syam late lakum hiru yanoi noru kaliang jungi hi kumang akran mes kemat ba ke KSU hi ka yang namta jong upat ke binyu trap kamdei bang yang tang namta ya yalade nane ya kin sem ring yang hi namta jong upat binyu trap bat kadei klumlang ya baro bat kane kubor kapeni ya lagade sabar jong ke jalan hapo ke jela ba KSU hi kan yang bat kan yai yele hi ban penek sa ke kata ban berim ulah hikai bat laptin tiengi ban im banyak ban yang bat kalong renyang ke jungi kibriu bagi danah Mawphor kasih ngilong kumne bagi long ru kadai
hang ini di nongwan nong sit nyam bawan mutun pra bawan penjat ya ka imlang salang ya ka imlang salang bagi kapis kata kapis kepada ko mikhalia di kumtahi tangba katbang idang ya keren hi mentakas ngi panaba kimya wan shu mentakas ngi te antahi ngila ikren bagi district magistrate bagi keluargaan tu bana kaliang juki kila ai ka assurance ba nakaliang jong cabinet ru kila ayo kata ka order bakimdei ban ai ban lan ini gi riu shik nyam ani po airport umroi Meghalaya kinum ai ban lan te nakaliang jong ki ru ki ong ba lasai ladaki wan ru nakaliang jong ka an kin khang yaki bat kin khang yaki bat kinum ai lan bakin tengku ne kin ya penduk yaki local population te kata ka dei ka assurance nakaliang jong ka authority Henry kum nakaliang jungi ru min wan bait lasai bangin pen i kata ke jing shisha bat kabor jungi ki khasi ki point ikun kamai Meghalaya ni ngin wan lasai bangin wan hang ban pen i kata ke jing pyrshah ban khang lat ikini ki riu shit nyam bawan man khang e ka bam ka di ka nyam ka ruti ka dustur jungi ki khasi ki khara ki kun jong ka pat Meghalaya
Ini yang tinggi ada halor bang Iwan di sembilan lang buat ngilang concern nak bentang kalau luan order jong kenika airport ang ni ka bahap ko jurisdiction jong ka umroi pulun gitu tang katahi ka bana kaliang tunga ko munong lam senong dan mapipa kan ko isu cukup nolong senong aku ini ba kenika isu lang bagi ko kubor social media ngi bakal along ke isu ko klik ha ka jylla not east ini berkowe tekan ka bana kaliang jungi kumkin lam senong tinam mar barok nam nek jungi tingi di bam dok masi Depan orang hiban benar baka taka masi ketika kini gitu kita nyimla ban pediang namar ba kumno ya ubri on kana ka masi ya ubri to ka ubri di nakaliang tuni tinggi pyrshah ka bide kata ka jing sembu gitu ki bat ya ke ka panadu hentai pulong kumak ke lebu baka masi lele ka dok masi le ketika dok masi ke bate bahai ka pat tuni te kumkin lam senong ya ka bide kini sembu pyrshah bat ngi airu di pyrshah ni kini kesenggalang namar baki wan ban muslia ye ke bagilong from mansua kila bu bek haka bidi baka bam gadi ka ba kum gajai berfesi ngilong hadu menta hadu musua hadu menta kumunong ilong ka bangadon ban penpau teng jumpi ka pon nakaliang jungi kum kinong senong ui ba kanik isu la dan nakaliang jong sarkar kam simkhya bante lakam ui ba kini kisamla gitu ngi kani kading kanang pur na goi kasing goi pat kay ka bakum kinong senong ki ba pek ya kasuk kasain ha bidor ba senong gitu ngi ha didom bisan gitu ngi ka bidon ban ai ka misi saka government lan saka sarkar kolong ba kin simkhya ha ka di pakai isu kanang kani kading kanom kelang sigui pat kitaka iya kat badang don kapor kin slobha ba simkhya kanang ba kinumi ki kijingja ki bakta itu sungsuk suntain ha po kani jylla